let's proceed with the discussion. In this case, in benzoic acid, we have a nitro group which is attached. We are comparing the acidic character as to which compound is more acidic. First, let's consider which type of group is nitro group. Because we see electronegative atom, we can conclude it's a minus I group, meaning it's electron withdrawing group. We also see that it is minus M group. Again, due to mesomeric effect also, it is electron withdrawing. First of all, if NO2 group is present at ortho position, then irrespective of the nature of the group, we know that due to ortho effect, it becomes more acidic. So, ortho compound we can put directly as the most acidic. Next, we have here para position. In para position, we see both minus I as well as minus M effect. Here, NO2 group is in meta position. In meta position, we don't see mesomeric or resonance effect. We see only inductive effect. Here, you don't see any effect. Coming back, this we know is most acidic due to ortho effect. In the next scenario, NO2 group acts as an electron withdrawing group due to inductive also, mesomeric also. It's a very strong electron withdrawing group because of both effects. Hence, it's coming at the second position. Here, there is only one effect seen. It's electron withdrawing only through inductive effect. Hence, this has come third. In the last compound, that is benzoic acid, there are no substituents. There is no electron withdrawing. Hence, it comes in the last. Let's see one more example. In this case, we are considering a halogen. If we consider the nature of halogen, as it's an electronegative atom, we can say that it is minus I, that is, it is electron withdrawing through inductive effect. It is also a plus M group, meaning it is an electron releasing group through mesomeric effect. But for once, this is an exceptional case. For halogens, the inductive effect outweighs the mesomeric effect. So only for halogen, this is very negligible. So we ignore it and we consider only inductive effect. Considering all these points, first we have taken here chloro at ortho position. Now chloro at ortho position due to ortho effect we know is the most acidic. Next, in all the other compounds, we are considering inductive effect. So, at meta position also we are considering inductive effect, minus I effect. At para position also we are considering inductive effect, minus I effect. We know that inductive effect decreases with distance. Hence, you see that this chlorine is much nearer to carboxylic acid. Effect is stronger. Electron withdrawing nature is stronger here. This chlorine is present little bit far away from this carboxylic acid. Therefore, effect is weakened now. Electron withdrawing tendency is weakened. Therefore, this is the order. Here we see ortho effect. Here we see much more minus I effect as compared to here. And this is the last compound which does not have chlorine and hence it does not have electron withdrawing group.